Hello, YouTube. This is your host, coming to you live from Bloomington, Indiana, on Liberty Drive on this busy Bloomington, Indiana day. Today, I just wanted to go over what happened at the Excel Center and tell you guys any news that I have. So just to let you guys know, there is some coming up videos which should be really interesting. Number one, I'll be making a video all about the Bloomington, Indiana radio system. I'll be talking about Bloomington Transit's radio system through the past couple of years. I'll be talking about the fixed route buses, the rural transit for Owen and Monroe County and Lawrence. There is going to be a lot to talk about on right now. So pretty much right now on my YouTube, we have a couple of stuff going on. Number one, I just wanted to show you guys what's going on in here. You guys see Steak and Shake over there. Steak and Shake is looking kind of busy right now. They're getting their lunchtime rush. And I believe all these cars going this way is going either to Menards or to the 3rd Street way, because you can go that way if you go all the way to the left. Now, down there on that turnaround, if you go straight, you go straight into Walmart. If you turn left, you go straight into the area of the Bloomington west side. Plus, if you guys look all the way down there on I-69, that ramp, they have 2 ramps on this side. They have one ramp that goes down that way, and they also have another ramp that is all the way over there, which you go up on if you go east. Now this is going to be a little bit more input video than my last couple of videos. Now, another good direction, if you guys are planning to go to Greene County, take this way all the way down until you follow that all the way to Carmichael Road. And then after that, you turn a left. Then after that, once you turn a left, you immediately look for a stop sign. And that stop sign will tell you where to go next. I'll be making another video about this. Please be aware. I'll see you guys in a few minutes.